Being a student is hard enough, but these free apps can make studying, organizing, and surviving school way easier. Here are the best free apps every student should download right now. First up, Notion. It's your all-in-one workspace. Take class notes, organize your tasks, track assignments, and even plan your semester. It's like your digital brain but prettier. Next is Grammarly. Whether you're writing essays, emails, or discussion posts, Grammarly catches your grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and even suggests better words. It's like having a writing assistant 24/7. Need help managing your schedule? Try Google Calendar. It syncs with all your devices, reminds you of deadlines, and helps you block out study time. Bonus tip: color code your classes so you always know what's coming up. For group projects or collaboration, you'll want Google Docs and Google Slides. They're free, easy to use, and let everyone edit in real time. No more sending endless email attachments. Struggling to stay focused? Download Forest. It helps you study by planting virtual trees while you work. If you touch your phone too early, your tree dies. Yes, it's silly, but it works. If math gives you nightmares, Photomath is your best friend. Snap a photo of a problem, and it walks you through the steps, not just the answer. It's like having a math tutor in your pocket. Need help with studying? Anki is the flashcard app used by med students and memory champions. It uses spaced repetition to help you remember stuff long-term. Finally, Khan Academy. Free video lessons on almost any subject, taught in a way that actually makes sense. Perfect for reviewing before exams or understanding tough topics. These apps won't do the work for you, but they'll make student life way easier. Like this video if you found something new, and subscribe for more smart tips you'll wish you knew earlier.